Welcome to the Keduka AI show. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic, AI and your job. We will explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the job market and what it means for you. Let us start by addressing a common question. Will AI take my job?
That is a question I have been wondering about. I have heard a lot about AI taking over jobs, but I am not sure what it really means.
The idea that AI will take over jobs is a concern for many people. However, history shows us that while automation can displace certain jobs, it also creates new ones. Let us look at some historical examples to understand this better.
That sounds interesting. What kind of historical examples are you talking about?
Let us start with the Industrial Revolution. Before mechanization, most people worked in agriculture or as artisans. When machines were introduced, they changed the way work was done. For example, farmers and laborers became machine operators and assembly workers. Weavers and blacksmiths turned into engineers and mechanics. This shift led to the creation of new jobs and the expansion of labor categories.
So, you are saying that even though machines took over some jobs, they also created new ones. That makes sense. What about more recent times? How has technology changed jobs in the past few decades?
The information age, which started in the late 20th century, brought about significant changes. Computers and digital systems automated many clerical and administrative tasks. For instance, human computers who did manual calculations were replaced by data analysts and data scientists. Typists and filing clerks transformed into administrative technologists. This period also saw the rise of new roles like network administrators and IT support specialists.
So, the pattern is that old jobs get automated, but new ones are created that require different skills. What about today? How is AI changing jobs now?
AI is taking this a step further. It is not just about automating physical tasks anymore. AI can now handle cognitive, perceptual, and decision-making tasks. For example, in healthcare, AI algorithms can assist in diagnosing diseases more accurately. In financial services, AI can detect fraud more efficiently. In manufacturing, autonomous robots can perform tasks with greater precision and speed.
That is fascinating. So, AI is not just about robots on assembly lines. It is about smart systems that can think and make decisions. What kinds of jobs are most at risk from AI?
Jobs that involve routine, repetitive tasks are most at risk. For example, manufacturing operatives who perform routine mechanical labor, service representatives who manage scripted interactions, and data entry technicians who input structured data. These tasks can be easily automated by AI systems.
So, jobs that are very predictable and follow a set pattern are more likely to be taken over by AI. What about jobs that require more creativity and human interaction?
Those jobs are less likely to be automated. Traits like empathy, emotional intelligence, creativity, and deep interpersonal communication are hard to replicate with AI. These are areas where humans still have a significant advantage.
That makes sense. So, if I want to future proof my career, I should focus on developing skills that AI cannot easily replicate. What are some steps I can take to adapt to this changing job market?
Excellent question. First, you should continuously upskill yourself. Learn about emerging technologies and tools. Second, reinvent your professional identity. Think about how you can align your skills with technology-augmented domains. Third, leverage human AI synergy. Use AI to amplify your strengths, not replace them.
So, I need to keep learning and stay updated with new technologies. I also need to think about how I can work with AI rather than against it. That sounds like a good strategy. What about the jobs that are created by AI? How can I prepare for those?
That is a forward-thinking approach. New jobs created by AI often require a blend of technical skills and human qualities. For example, roles like AI ethicists and human AI interaction designers are emerging. These roles need people who understand both the technology and the human aspects of work.
I see, so I need to be versatile and adaptable. I need to understand both the technical side and the human side of AI. That sounds like a challenging but exciting path.
It certainly is. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It is about humans and machines working together. By embracing lifelong learning, cultivating irreplaceable human competencies, and forging collaborative pathways, you can position yourself at the forefront of this new economic era.
Thank you for explaining all of this. I feel much more confident about navigating the AI driven job market now. I understand that while AI will change many jobs, it also creates new opportunities. I need to focus on developing skills that AI cannot easily replicate and be open to learning new technologies.
You are very welcome. It is great to see you taking a proactive approach to your future. Remember, the key is to adapt and transform with the changing landscape. Keep learning, stay curious, and embrace the opportunities that AI brings. The future of work is symbiotic, and you have the potential to thrive in it.
Thank you for the encouragement. I am excited to start this journey. I will keep learning and stay open to new possibilities.
That is the spirit. Keep that mindset, and you will do great. Thank you for joining me on the Keduka AI show today. Until next time, keep exploring and adapting.
Thank you for having me. It has been a very informative and inspiring conversation. I look forward to more discussions like this.
You are welcome. It has been a pleasure. Stay tuned for more insights on AI and your future. Goodbye for now.